In this video, I want to share with you guys how I reset my life on a weekly basis using habits and routines that instill self-love and confidence. We're gonna work out, deep clean, organize our space, make healthy foods. Before we get started, I do want to mention this is a sponsored video. Thank you to Vren for sponsoring this video and sending me an awesome organizer that we'll be using in the organizing part of this video. So stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's hit the gym, guys. Exercise is the best way to wake up my mind and body. I don't get to work out in the gym as often as I'd like to, but whenever I have a day off, I try to squeeze in a small routine. The benefits of exercise are astounding, and it's a huge brain boost. A clean space is just a huge stress reliever for me. When I look around and my space is picked up and sparkling clean, I feel like that's one less to do weighing on me throughout the week. I love batch cleaning on my reset days because once I start, it gives me energy to keep going. And that way I don't have to worry about doing as much on days after work. I'm so excited to be working with Vren for this portion of the video. They sent me this sweet organizer so I can fix this mess going on in my closet. It has 9 slots and I'm going to organize my leggings and jeans in them so they're no longer just stacked on top of each other, falling on one another, creating a big mess. I was able to easily fit all of my leggings and a pair of jeans in there, and it set perfectly on top of my little cubicle, so now everything looks nice and neat in my closet. You can find this product on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can find this exact one. Now that my space feels 100 times better, I'm gonna meal prep for the rest of the week. I picked out this basil curry I can use my basil for, so I'm super excited to try it. I prefer home cooking at least 1 or 2 meals each week. There's creative release in cooking, but it's obviously super functional too, and that's what I love about it. Taking the steps to reset today has me feeling so refreshed, and I'm ready to tackle this next week. Thank you so much again to Vren for sponsoring this video. If you like this kind of content, make sure to check out my other Reset Day vlogs, and make sure to leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.